everybody, welcome to episode number 132 here on season number 2. And today, Jaycub tries cracked black pepper jerky. Have you ever had jerky before? Are you ready to try it? Do you think that we should try it first or maybe tell them about what it is?
Try it first.
Try it first? Okay, alright, let's go ahead and open it up then. Alright, go ahead and grab a piece out of there, man.
Yeah. What is...
Looks like there's only 2 pieces provided.
What is...
Here, we'll keep this piece out and then we'll break this piece up.
Yeah. We need one for Mom.
It's pretty tough too, man.
I want a bigger piece.
No. We're gonna leave that piece alone. Which piece do you want? That piece? Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1, go!
I hate that. I don't like it.
It's pretty tough like jerky.
Yeah.
But it doesn't taste like jerky at all.
No, it does not taste like cow milk.
Like cow milk?
Yeah, it don't taste like cow milk.
Oh.
It's just made out of cow milk.
It's actually a lot more sweet than usual like beef jerky is.
I didn't like it.
You like it?
No, I don't like it.
That's interesting.
Dad, look at that mountain.
I know. This is the original vegan jerky. If you wanted to see us eat real jerky, well, Jaycub really doesn't like cow, right? See? But the actual jerky is very low in fat, has no cholesterol, made of non-GMO products, and apparently a good source of protein. Do you like protein?
Yes, I made a piece for my mom.
Oh, for your mom? Okay. For me personally, I don't usually touch the meat alternatives. They don't really feel too well. They don't really sit too well on my stomach.
They fit real inside my stomach.
They fit good on your stomach? You like them?
Yes.
I mean, they make me like bloated and kind of goggy and that kind of thing. Or groggy, I think is the actual word. I mean, I guess I've just become very, very sensitive to like eating fake stuff.
This is kind of like fake chicken. It's
kind of like fake chicken.
Yeah, but it's not fake chicken.
It's not fake chicken?
No.
What is it? It's plants.
Yes, it's come from a plant.
From a plant.
No, come from a plant.
From a plant, it does. And actually, the 2 plants that this actually makes up, one comes from the soybean, and the other one comes from wheat. It's basically a soy protein mixed with a wheat protein, and then like the seasonings and spices put together to create the jerky.
What's this?
That's called jerky.
I don't know why it's called jerky.
I mean, honestly, I think that this is a great alternative to the actual beef jerky if you're having a real problem kicking the jerky snack. So I totally get that because I've had my own problems kicking stuff too. Right here though, in this package, this is only a 1 ounce package. Online, they have a 3.5 ounce package that retails for $6.99, which honestly I feel like is a pretty competitive price to regular beef jerky, huh? Okay. I mean, it would be awesome if they could bring down the cost of the product to even a lower cost. So that way there's like no competition between the beef jerky and the alternative. However, I think that's unlikely to happen. So Jaycub, do you think that this is a buy or a trash?
A buy because it's not trash. Because you don't throw away.
Yeah?
Yes.
Do you want to tell them exactly what you just said to me?
Yes. It's a buy!
That's pretty much sums it up. You hear it from the 3-year-old. The meat alternative jerky is a buy.
It's a buy!
Anyways, we'll go ahead and jump into the question of the day, which is what are some red flags to watch out for in your daily life?
I saw a red flag inside a river, and I was on a boat, and I watched out for it.
You watch out for the red flag on the river?
Yes.
That's something that you look out for in daily life is red flags on the river?
Yes.
What other red flags do you look out for in your daily life?
Blue, red, yellow, and 5
In 5.
He flags.
And 5 flags.
Yes. 5 blue flags.
5 blue flags. There's a red flag that you look out for.
And 5 blue, 5 red flags.
And 5 red flags.
And 5 yellow flags. I was watching out for those for a long time.
For a long time. Can you show them the facial expression that you just made with a long time? Go ahead and just show the camera.
4 flags.
Okay. Anyways, like I always say, if you got a question about Stash, Acorns, Robinhood, M1 Finance, as well as general investing, business strategy coaching, post those questions down below.
Daddy?
Yes.
You pick
Acorns?
For Delari and for me and for you and for Mommy.
Yeah, when we went to the farmer's market, I picked some acorns off the tree, you're right.
Yes.
Yes. Business strategy coaching, post those questions down below. Don't forget to subscribe right up here and check
Mustache.
Mustache. All right, scoot back from the mic, man.
I said mustache on it.
I know. Don't forget to subscribe right up here and check out We Try Soylent. Check out something right here. Mustache. And as always, thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.
Turkey.